So today is day 30/31. I'm actually 30 minutes into day 31. So we are counting down now. So I have about 9 more days left. I am still, thank God, pain-free in my breast. I had a little bit of pain. What's today? Saturday? I had a little bit of pain on Friday night. It lasted maybe about an hour, but usually, if I have intermittent pain, it's very, very sharp. This was like the mild-ish, I guess, like level 3, 4 pain that I usually have, in my breast. I had that yesterday for about 30 minutes to an hour, but I'm feeling good. I did get, I think the rash that I told you guys about that started like the second week of my fast, it had gone away. It actually came back maybe about a day or so ago. But other than that, I'm feeling great. So today is day 32. In like 2 hours, I'll be at day 33. I'm literally counting down like 8 more days left. I don't feel horrible. I still, I'm not in any pain, no pain in my breast. I am trying to drink more water, not guzzling it, but like sipping on it, no more than like a liter an hour so that I don't flush out my electrolytes. I have not had to supplement with electrolytes. I am not against it, but because I am fasting for autophagy and to help with the breast disease that I have, I just don't want anything to interrupt that autophagy and self-cleaning and healing process. So just a reminder, I am not doing this because of weight loss. I haven't checked my weight in like over a week, but go back and watch some of my other stories. So today is day 34. Oh, I will say today, after 34 days today, I started to just think about so many different foods. My husband has asked me to stop cooking because I am making so much food. Even with 5 freezers and 3 refrigerators and 2 pantries, we basically don't have any room for it, but it snowed outside. So I'm like, we could just sit it out on the back porch. Like we have a enclosed porch. So yeah, I'm still sipping water, trying to sip, 1 sip like every 5 or 8 minutes. I think I'm going to set a timer and, that might help a little bit, but other than that, I know you guys want to know how much weight I lost, but I'm not doing this for weight loss. I can say that my pants are definitely too big.